Yucky video. Today we'll be trying the secret menu item, the Baby Yoda and Chewbacca Frappuccino. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be amazing. Have fun. Last week we tried the Impossible Waffle and compared it to a regular waffle, and also we tried the buttermilk chicken. Sorry about that, it's hard to remember. And the Sprite thing. Anyways, we're going to head over there, get some frappuccinos, and see you there. Peace out.
What do you say? Thank you.
This one's disgusting. What's up, guys? We just got the Baby Yoda and Chewbacca one, and these look absolutely disgusting. Just to know. And if you watched my cake pop video, you know I don't like sweet stuff. And I'm not sure about this. This might go over the top, so I'm gonna start off with Baby Yoda. Baby Yoda, I think this is gonna be an overabundance. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's sweet. Way too overabundance of sweet. This one I wouldn't order again. Okay, I'll set you down, Baby Yoda. Chewbacca one looks the worst. I hate chocolate. And I think this is gonna be way overabundance. This is gonna be terrible. Oh God. And I'm saying this for real. I don't like chocolate, and I know you might be saying, "What? Why? I love chocolate. No, it's really good." I hate it. It's so bad. Chocolate is like my worst enemy, and chocolate ice cream is the worst. I don't like ice cream. I am just the one who isn't the good for sweets. Oh, I am going to try this, but I'm not sure. But I bet it will taste absolutely terrible. I bet it won't taste good at all, so. Kids, never drink this at home. Tastes like a chocolate cookie. It's not as bad as Baby Yoda. But overabundance of chocolate though. These, it doesn't taste very good. I wouldn't order these ever again. Oh, I don't even know which one is worse. The better one. I just know that they're both equally bad. This one tastes like syrup, and this one tastes like syrup. Has a better flavor. This one has a worse flavor, but it had the goodness of a cookie. These are equally bad. They have some stuff to enjoy about them, but overall I'd give this a yucky. Both of them. You and you are disgusting. It's like having two ugly twins. Let's see if it's good mixing it together. I bet this will be terrible mixing, because not only do you have caramel in this one, you have chocolate. It'll ruin everything. I'm gonna probably ruin my life. Okay, here we go. I really hate this. I'm gonna have to learn the hard way. anything. I'm cold. These! Go away! Get away from my sight, you two. You're ruining the video. Get away. Get away from them. Get away from me. You two, get away from me for the rest of my life. Yeah. I don't want to see you. I think the people, yeah, you're ruining the video. I'll put you two up here so you won't ruining it. There we go. Thank you for watching another Yummy or Yucky. But for me, this one was so yucky that I want to chuck it. And when I get home, I'm probably gonna throw these right into the garbage can, right where they belong. Thanks for watching it, I guess. Like, subscribe, check out our other videos, and see you later. We're going to take these to Grandma and ask them to see what they think of it.
You're next. What is it? Your turn. What is it?
It's really chocolatey. Not my favorite. Okay, I'm gonna try this one next.
Oh, bad dog.
I don't like that one. I don't like the green tea with the caramel.
Mix them.
Oh, Disney, get down. Oh.
Dad,
This is the Chewbacca one. Robert.
It's not bad.
No.
Chocolatey.
That's baby.
I like that.
And
Here, go, you sloth ball. Have fun in the dump.